this is my crab souffle, and this is how I make it.
So in here is the crab souffle, it's the crab meat, there's the delicious white sauce I made, the chopped herbs, and I've added in the egg yolks. I've got my egg whites ready to go here. And then alongside I've got my prepared souffle little ramekins. So I've just buttered them, put some breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese in. So the next step is I'm going to fold these two together before popping them into the ramekins.
Very easy to make, very delicious. So good.